Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. As we know, many people suffer from conditions such as watery eyes, runny nose, itching eyes, sneezing, hives, and itching. And this happens every other season due to multiple reasons. So the medicine which we will discuss here is used for all these conditions, which is Cetirizine, coming under the brand name of Zyrtec and rigix. We will give all the information related to Cetirizine, its uses, indication, side effects, dose, and which time is the best to take this medicine. Cetirizine is an antihistamine used to treat allergic condition. You can buy this over the counter at a pharmacy. That is, you don't need a prescription. Cetirizine is used in following conditions, such as sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, itchy throat or nose. These reactions can happen after you touch or inhale allergens, such as plant pollen, mold, or pet dander. Allergies usually affect your nose, sinuses, throat, and other areas of your upper respiratory system. Cetirizine also helps relieve hives. Hives are itchy, raised rashes on the skin. They often occur with food or medication allergies. Now let's see the dose for this medicine. For adults, Cetirizine is used as 1 tablet daily. That is, in 24 hours, you have to take 1 tablet, which is 10 milligrams. Cetirizine tablet can make you little drowsy. That is, it can make you little sleepy. So better take before sleep. For children, syrup comes. If the syrup is 5 milligrams per 5 milliliters, then give dose as below, or as prescribed by doctor. Children 2 years to under 6 years of age, 2.5 milliliters once daily. If needed, dose can be increased to a maximum of 5 milliliters once daily. Adults and children 6 years and over, 5 milliliters or 10 milliliters once daily, depending upon severity of symptoms. Do not take more than 10 milliliters in 24 hours. For infants and children below 2 years, drops comes, which your doctor will recommend you, according to weight of baby. Some of the side effects associated with Cetirizine are drowsiness, excessive tiredness, dry mouth, stomach pain, diarrhea, vomiting. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.